Exercise 18A. This is about the idea of the equation. The first thing is equation. What is equation? When two values join together with the equal sign, like this for example, join this with the equal sign, this equal sign, join two values with the equal sign is called equation. Equation is like a balance. Equation is like a balance. You know what is balance?
Yes, Mr. Everyone know. It's like when everything is not balanced, it will fall or explode anything.
This is balance.
It must be in balance.
If you put something here, definitely the equal amount you have to put to the other side. Then this will be in the balance. This will be equal.
So the higher mass will go down and the low mass will go up.
For equality or equal equation, we need the equal balance. We need the equal weight to both sides. So the same concept for the balance of equation here in math. If you have an equation, for example, x plus 4 equal 9. If you add something here, you need to add the other side the same. If you subtract something, you have to subtract from the other side also. In this way, this equation will be in the balance. Now, we will come towards the exercise 18A. Question number 1. From equation to illustrate the following statement and find the unknown number. What we will do? We will organize a statement. We will organize an equation which is given in the words. We will convert to this into the equation and then find the value. Number 1. Question number 1. I think of a number. It can be any number which we don't know. So we can say that it is x. X, if I think a number, subtract 3 and get 4. Subtract 3 mean minus 3. Get 4 mean equal 4. I think of a number which is so x. We assume that it is x. Subtract 3 and get 4 means equal to 4. This is answer.
7.
But Mr. Okay, I understand. Sorry.
This is the equation.
What should we write?
This is answer.
Answer. X minus 3 equals 4.
Okay, let me.
It's 7. The x is 7.
7, Mr. 7.
Think of a number. Subtract.
Mister, we like this.
And get. This is question written on the book.
Mister, we like this.
Dullah, listen
Oh,
me.
it's correct. It's correct. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Or x minus 3 equals 4. Correct.
I think of a number, subtract 3 and get 4. Means, for example, we think number is x. Subtract 3 equal 4. This is the answer. Okay. Now, what is the number? What is the number?
7, Mr. 7.
7 minus 3 equal 4.
Equal 4.
At the place of x coming? 7.
7.
X is equals
X
to
equals
7. Now question number 2. Who will read the question number 2? Walid, read question number 2 on the book.
1 second, mister. I need to talk to someone, please. I'm not joking.
Can I?
Okay.
I think of a number, add 1 and the result is 3.
I think a number mean, for example, X, add 1 plus 1. Add mean plus. And the result is 3.
Mr. Maybe 2.
2, Mister. 2, 2, 2.
X can
Yes.
be 2.
So X is
X
equals to
2.
2. Mister, this is so easy.
Yeah, but first we don't understand because
okay. Now question number 3. If a number is added to 3, we get 9. X
If
plus
number-
6, 6, 6, Mister.
equal
6.
9.
6.
X is equals
6,
to
Mister.
X equals
6, 6, 6, 6, 6. X equals
You
6.
see, Mister? I'm clever. I'm ذكي.
question number 4. If 5 is subtracted from the number X minus 5 equal 2.
3, Mister.
3, 3, 3.
3.
3
No.
3, Mister. X.
No.
No, not 3.
No, no. 8. No.
minus, okay.
Oh my God. 8.
Yeah,
Sorry, 7, 7.
Yeah,
Yeah,
7.
7. Yes.
Okay, now question number 5.
Good job, Omar Qasim.
I think of a number, double it and get 8. Double mean multiply by 2. Double means multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2.
4, 4.
4. 4. 4. Of course. Because 2 multiply by 4.
Number 6. If a number is multiplied by 7, the result is 14.
2.
What?
2, Mister. 2. 2. 2. 2.
Multiply 2, yes.
2.
X is equal to 2. Question number 7.
Second. Question number
When we multiply the number by 3, we get 15.
5.
5.
5, Mister.
5.
Easy, easy. Let me squeeze.
Okay, question number 8. Six items, an unknown number gives 24. 6 times an unknown number means 6x equal 24.
Wait.
6.
4, 4, 4, 4.
4.
Multiply 4.
4. 4.
Next. Question number 9. Question number 9. Now this is given. 3x equal 18 given.
6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
6.
X is equals to 6.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now we need to write also this in the words like before.
Mister, who's
So
this Muhammad Talah?
who is this Muhammad Talha?
محمد صلاح. هذه راية الطلاح.
Who's this?
Error.
Kick him, Mister. He's not with us in this.
Mr. Kickham bad boy.
محمد طلع.
Who is this? Turn on your camera, otherwise I will remove you.
Open your camera.
في والله ما نبغى الكاميرا. If you're not opening
Mister,
it,
I think he said no. Wallah, I don't kidding. I think he said
Yeah.
like
Mr. kick him.
Okay, now I am going to kick you out from the class if you will not speak.
or open your camera.
Who are you?
I think
He
he came
is
after.
out now.
Good.
No, Mr.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Mister, I
How
think
are
you're happy. You're happy, I think.
Okay.
Because today it's Tuesday. Today it's Tuesday.
Yes,
Okay,
because
I
today
don't-
is Thursday, not Tuesday.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, we
Miss.
don't have task.
I don't
Why?
want to follow him, Mister. I don't want to follow him. I will be polite.
4 o'clock. In
Okay,
4 o'clock, I
3
will play PlayStation.
زانس.
multiply
أنت
by
من التقري معك صالح.
3
a
multiply by
number
6 equal 18. 3 multiply a number equal 18.
gives us 18. This is answer. Okay.
Okay.
Now
What is
number 10.
this? Oh, Baba.
6
Mr.
plus.
This, 6.
So what will be the answer for this?
1.
And
Easy.
what should we write?
11. Minus
No.
11.
1,
Minus
Mr.
11.
Mr. 1 plus number.
I think
it
a
will give
number.
us a number plus 6. It will
Added
give us 7.
Added to 6.
to
Add
6.
Add to 6. Give
Added
us
to
7.
6.
Give
And
us 7.
get 7. Or gives us 7 also same. Correct.
Mister, you should think you think a number added to 6.
And get 7.
Yes.
Okay, now number 11. Question number 11.
11, Mr.
So this is
Same, Mr. 1.
Wallahi, Mister, very easy for KG.
Mr.
This we have done already.
Yeah, Mr.
I know.
Same.
It's easy.
No, Mr. Me and x minus 2 equal 9. The answer is 11.
Equal 9.
Okay,
11.
now 13.
11. Okay, 13. 5 plus x.
2. MashaAllah.
5 added
Five.
to number. We will get 7. And we will get 7.
And you will get 6, then 7. MashaAllah.
Okay, now
Mister, there is so dubab and the mic. So, Iyad, your mic, please.
yeah, your mic is
You know, Mister, it's like dubaba.
8. 4. I mean 4. 2.
2, Mr. 2.
Okay.
x كبر عيني ما تشوفه.
X dish, I think that it's the number.
You are stupid. You want to play quickly.
Keep quiet.
2. Be good boys.
4 times a number get 8. 2.
4 times. Times like multiply. Okay,
yes,
Mister.
4 times mean multiply by 4. You want to drink tea?
Last period. Wallahi, I want to drink tea also. I want to eat biscuit also.
Okay, come in the school.